Hi friends, I'm from Kharad, Mohali, Punjab, and I've recently taken a franchisee by the name of Let's Folk. It's a Chinese brand, and I got this idea of investment from YouTube channel, and I was very much convinced from the proposal given by the TRP team, and I was previously working for a bank for around 15-20 years, and I just thought of taking a break and go for some self employment. So I invested here a portion of my accumulated funds, and I must thank Mr. Jahan Khurana for this wonderful idea of having small retail investors like me. And this FOCO model is also different from the way that I don't have to worry much about the business hassles like infrastructure arrangement and salary of the staff and rentals. And I look forward for a good return on investment. And I must thank the team members who have thoroughly explained me the proposal, and I definitely would go for additional brands in near future. And that's all. I must wish all the success to the TRP team, and I must congratulate them for their third anniversary, which they recently celebrated. So wish you all the success. Thank you so much. Bye.